Good morning. So I've dragged the kids and the man butt out of their pits this morning and we've come down to the blue pool. What a sketchy lane to get down here though. So here's the car park. If you can see that. Oh yeah, that noisy squeaky duck thing. So we've parked it just down there anyway, but there is one way in and one way out, so it's going to be interesting to see how the man but gets us out, because the max headroom is 9 foot and he reckons we're bigger than that. I'm not sure. So they're all out and about. I can't say they're really happy about it this morning, but let's go see what this is like. I thought it looked really nice on the pictures. So we've just come in. How much was it to get in, love?
£15 for all three of us.
£15 for all of us.
This is the ice cream parlour, yeah, the two rooms are a bit further up.
They cater for dogs as well, look.
Yeah. Little fire pit.
Now that's cool. If you're a bit chilly, you can just come and sit here.
Oh, in that case, let me take up you.
Oh, that smells lush. Stay away, kiddies.
Sounds like home.
Yeah. Oh. What if you could have marshmallows by you?
Probably could.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, there's the toilets. Just up there. And the tea room is just up there. So here's the tea room. Man but's gone in to get us a coffee, and I've just noticed, look, you can get marshmallows for toasting the chestnuts, and toasting marshmallows and toasting chestnuts for the open fire pits that we were just at, which is fab.
Yep.
Oh, thanks very much.
Gingerbread latte.
Nice. I enjoyed this one.
Oh, this is the lagoon now.
Oh, it's right there.
It's pretty, isn't it?
That's stunning. Yeah. I feel like Pocahontas up here.
This does remind me of our Bromville reservoir, you know, with the pine trees, big open water. So if you haven't seen it, go and check out Hidden Gems, episode 1.
Look at that. I don't know if you can appreciate the view on this film very much, but there's like a little drop for where the man but's standing by there. It just looks incredible.
Beautiful, isn't it?
And then you've got the open fire pit you can do the roasted marshmallows and chestnuts on.
And then you have got a trail. There's 2 trails.
Yeah.
One that goes around it quite close, and then one that takes you higher up and goes around it.
Playground.
There's a playground?
Yeah, look at the sign.
Better get in there then.
Right, so here where the exit is.
Go, go, go!
Go! Whee! It's just a new train.
Ah!
Tackled her.
It's the Ruck train. Are you wearing earmuffs?
Me? I wouldn't wear earmuffs. What do you take me for?
Ruck train! Done.
Oh no.
Come on then.
Oh no.
I'm going to pull up in.
This is a dangerous game you're playing.
It is dangerous.
Yeah, go.
Very slippy.
Go.
Let's go!
Was that good?
Most idiotic thing ever.
Whoa! Where's the cat? Bing bong, bing bong, poo.
Whoa! Whoa, I gotta get off, I feel sick.
Working cow! Oh my god. I found a holly tree.
Yeah. It's got no berries on it though. I want one with berries.
Which berry?
The holly tree berries. What colour are they? Can you remember?
Red.
Good girl.
Because berries are always red.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
There's one little door here. There's a pot in the window.
He's found a little elf house.
There's a little last one for elf back. probably smell something else.
That's Amelia's home. Right, Amelia, in you go.
Go in your home.
Oh, look at her knocking to see if anyone's in.
It's my spot.
Look how little his door is. Oh, look, he's got neighbours.
Yeah. Maybe we can get into the train. Sandy! Sandy.
Come on.
Sandy Cheeks.
They're on an elf trail.
Wait. You know Sandy Cheeks from SpongeBob? Sandy Cheeks. Sandy Cheeks. Mum, I found it. I found it.
So we're walking on the
We
quick
found
trail.
what we were looking for.
What we found, what we found.
I found one already. I found one already, Mia.
Yeah, good girl. She'd found one with berries.
Ow.
You idiot. You're not supposed to touch the end of the pointy bits.
I want to get the berry. I want to eat it.
You're crazy. You can't eat them, love.
Yes, a bit.
So, just doing some history on the Blue Pool. It actually, in the 17th century, it used to be a chalk pit. So they used to mine the clay here to make ceramic products like your smoking pipes, plates, cups, teapots. And then just before the First World War, they stopped mining here. And obviously, because you've got that clay sort of foundation to it, with the natural elements, they've created a bit of a bowl here. And that's why then, today we have the Blue Pool. But it is beautiful, isn't it, love?
Yeah, it's stunning. Literally in a field of leaves. That is just wicked.
You're going to do some snow angels, or would they call it leaf angels?
Look what we found.
I'm eating it. My voice. Face. Wow. No, that's the door. You know what I mean? How many more?
This is lush.
Get away, little one. Little one. Ha. This is where I can collect my sticks.
I bet you that's where he is.
Possibly. Oh, there's a little stove in there because I can see the flue.
Is that us?
No.
I mean, no. Wait, someone's.
So, on one of the signs on the way in, it said Santa would be here on a Saturday and a Sunday leading up to Christmas. So we're just wondering if that's where he'll be. Not sure. We haven't actually seen him. We're on the hunt for marshmallows, which we can get from the gift shop or Woodlands. There's plenty of directions around here anyway to tell you where things are.
Subscribe to Rolling Rucks, please.
Pretty please.
Pretty please.
With a cherry on top.
Yes. Otherwise, a spider will fall on your face in the night.
So that's our little adventure around the Blue Pool done. What do you think, love?
Yeah, I enjoyed that. It was proper naturey, peaceful, enough to keep you entertained for a couple of hours. Yeah, it was alright. I enjoyed that.
It was reasonably priced actually. I mean, at 15 quid for us 5 wasn't too bad.
Yeah, well, that's your parking, admission.
Yeah.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, man. So we're off now. We've had a really, really nice time. I think the children have worn themselves out, which is amazing. But you can, there was a sign, you can get an annual pass, obviously, if you live local.
Yeah,
you know,
I think it was
it'd be worth
£50 an adult, about £40 a child.
So yeah, depends on the size of your family, whether that would be worth it for you or not.
Yeah.
But
It's, to be honest, for me, it's a nice afternoon out. Would I buy an annual pass and keep coming back? I mean, it's pretty, I'd enjoy it.
I don't know, it depends if you're local or not, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, we've got things similar, you know, local to us that we get annual passes for, that we can take the children quite regularly.
We hope you guys enjoyed it, but until next time,
We'll see you in a bit.
ta-ra guys.